Well, go on. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. It's the first time over here. What we do over this channel is to analyze the financial market, chop it up into pieces so each and everyone can understand. It's the first time over here. You're wondering who is this man? You know what I mean? Trying to tell you about trading. You could just go through my entire playlist, check out the chart markup, check out the live and all of that, and you see that we really have it popping over here. What we're going to do is just to hold a vibe and just to discuss a GJ trade that I took with my students this morning, and hope you learned something from it. If you have any question about the trade, comment in the comment section and I'll try my very best to assist you. Without a delay, let's dive straight into it. Alright, read the vibe right now, yeah? So we are looking at Gbpjpy, and let me show you what I was looking at to begin with, right? So initially, I'm here looking at the daily chart, right? And I said to myself that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So we have 7 days, an entire week where price was failing to break 159.481. So I said to myself that if price is gonna close above this level, break above this level, then I have all of this free space to play right here for a swing trade, yeah, and potentially go up to this level here, yeah. So that's what I was looking at firstly, and then I know that I have some form of support right here, which is also resistance. So right here at this H1 level, I'm looking to take my first TP, right? So that's what we did. So coming down now to the H4 levels, right? At the H4 level, we saw where we had strong momentum coming out of the Asian session, right? Moving into the London session, right? Based on the information that was coming out in the market this morning, I realized that there would be any massive movement in pre-London because there's no information coming out in pre-London, but there's a lot of info, but there's a few information, I should say, coming out at London Open. So I decided that I wanted to take my trade at London Open, right? So that's what I did. So bam, took my trade at London Open, right? And let me show you what I was looking at from the H1 level, right? It's just really pretty simple. I do the same thing over and over and over, right? So what we're looking at right here is that we have old roof, right? And then now what we want here is where a old roof now becomes a new floor. So that's what we're looking at right here, right? So old roof becomes new floor. We have all of this free space up here, and that is why we're in the trade going up, yeah? So, however, remember the resistance area, right? This is floor. So we're expecting some form of resistance right here to hit here the same way how it did on here, right? You see that? How it did right here? So it's like a mirror effect. So expected price was going to reject here, right? So we took TP1 here, and then we're just looking to continue up to TP2. Yeah, so this is the type of movement that we try to get each and every day in the market, and I'm going to show you how I call this play by play within the group. Yeah, all right, so pretty vibe now. Yeah, so right here you're seeing where I started off communicating to the group, and like here, this is the daily level that we're looking at, the resistance and the free space that we're looking to play. So we're starting to communicate from like 2 o'clock, right? So as I realized, as I said to you, that pre-London for me would have started somewhere about 2 o'clock, but I decided that based on information coming out that I'm going to take my trade somewhere there about at London Open, right? And I explained to them about roof and so on and what I want price to do before I continue up in the trade, right? Show them the type of entry that I'm looking for, right? And here I was explaining to them the different type of space level that we didn't want to take trades in this area or want to take trades in this area where there's clean traffic, right? So show them the different entry levels, right? And then now trade started to move nicely along, and then TP18, right? We have TP18 right here, and then we're looking to just having some more move continue, right? What's the value that you get from being in the group, right? If you come around here, yeah, let's see this discussion that I have with the student today, right? So the student was showing this entry that he took on GJ, right? And I was just communicating with him that said that here what, yes, your entry might play out properly, right, this time around, but in terms of probability, it's not going to play out consistently in terms of probability and the type of spacing that you should wait on to enter the trade. So we communicate a lot. This is what we mean about continuous mentorship. So this is the continuous mentorship that you receive with your one-time fee, right? So we'll just continue mentoring once a person go through the course, and then we just hold up by just discussing with the person, you understand, how they could have taken the trade much better and so on, right? And what we're looking for, how we can take a short-term trade versus a long-term trade and so on, right? So I say discussing with the student where I'm looking at with the news information coming out to push the market. Why am I looking to take it at London Open and not pre-London and so on, right? So it's, as I said, just continuous mentorship and just just making money on a daily basis. Right now in the swing trade, we're continuing up on the swing trade, right? So we're looking good right here. That's my account, right? We have person posting small profits and so on, right? This is the person that I was talking about. You understand? So he's doing good so far, right? Holding them trade at based on my understanding, they are scaling with another position, right? You know my trades, I post my trades on a daily basis, right? So as I say, we just really want to just continue to show the love, right? To push it out to each and everyone that's watching, that love the movement. Yeah. So if you really love the movement, you should be in the group. You understand? Just all of us catch these nice trades with us each and every morning. You understand? And you have an entire course to go through where you can just sit and go through and just learn how to do it by yourself. Right. So if you have any questions about this breakdown, just comment below and I'll try my very best to assist you. I'll continue to drop these fire videos. All right, so hope you like them. All right, if there's any suggestion on any videos that you'd like to see me drop, right, just comment below and I'll try my very best to meet them, right, and to suit your needs and all of that. So let's go and big up on yourself and enjoy the rest of your day. Dreycosting, trade star, straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.